Let yourself be seduced by this fabulous relaxing gold face ritual. Gold was once used by ancient civilizations to remedy skin problems. During this hour, you'll be treated to a deep cleanse and an organic exfoliant. Your face and decolletage will be massaged with a light, fragrant massage oil. Then, our solid 24 karat gold collagen mask will be softly brushed onto your skin. For the next several minutes, you'll experience a skin tightening sensation as the mask sets. With its powerful healing and anti-aging properties, gold helps reverse the oxidation damage to the collagen fibers, regenerating healthy new cells. Gold is easily absorbed into the skin, influencing it at a cellular level, providing a youthful radiance to all skin types. Finally, we will add a hydrating moisturizer with sunscreen. This treatment is designed to help moisturize, firm, whiten, and brighten the skin as the gold powder blocks free radicals, which helps the skin regenerate quicker and fuller. This anti-wrinkle session will make you feel like $1,000,000.